Hello everybody, it's me, LPS Dr. Hose here. Yeah, this is my very first video. I dedicate my channel to these people that made Dr. Hose. You should watch it, man. Well, as you may notice, I am very new to YouTube. I'm using a really weird background thing. It's actually a folder. What the poop? Sorry that it's so dark. I promise it won't be that next time. Well, okay, back to what I was saying. Well, you do not have to call me LPS Dr. Hose if, like, you know, you're a subscriber or something. My real name is actually Danielle, but you can call me Daniela, Dormita, Danny. Call me whatever you want to say or call me. Hey, why am I saying hello again? I don't know why. Am I confusing you guys? Because I'm definitely confusing myself. Well, you guys must be wondering, why are you so obsessed with Dr. Hose? Well, I started watching the show and now I'm obsessed with it. And now I think I got problems. To prove it, I will show you some random craft thingies I did. I made the TARDIS. I made a paper plush from a piece of paper to Dr. Hose's head. Yes, I actually drew this. Isn't it weird looking? Isn't it a fail? Isn't it a failure of life? Yeah, I have more coming. Don't worry. Well, I'm gonna explain some more. Epic fail! Okay, I'm not all up in Dr. Hose a lot. Well, I am, but, I also like other things too. I'm not gonna go like, oh, Dr. Hose is so awesome in every conversation, like, you know? I also like video games, and I am a normal person. Because one of my favorite video games are called LPS Sly Cooper. LPS Sly Cooper. Why did I say that? Oh, there, I just got done watching this weird series thing from this person's channel, which apparently they have not made a video for, like, 1 year. So, they called it LPS Sly Cooper, and, like, turns out it's a video game, and I played it, and I was like, oh my god, it's so awesome. But whenever I started playing it, I was like, because I was afraid I was gonna die. Which I did. I also like watching other shows than Dr. Hose, even though Dr. Hose isn't exactly a real show. I'm not a big fan of MLP a lot, but no haters about that. I do like it, but, you know. Well, you all must be wondering what age I am. Well, I am particularly 11, soon to be 12 on October 2nd. Yeah. Good thing I just made this video today, because school's ending tomorrow, and, like, you know, I'll have a lot more time to make videos. Hopefully I'll get a subscriber or two. I'm not really gonna ask for a lot. I just think it's fun uploading videos. It's like, I'm like, I'm watching you subscriber thing. Why did I say that? I meant to say upload thing, because I always watch it whenever, like, I upload video. Well, I never exactly uploaded a video before, but I uploaded one to Facebook before, and I was like, huh, this is very interesting. So yeah, it's fun to watch it. Just going like, gonna watch it all day, man. Well, yeah, this was my very first video. Yeah, that's all. Go away. Why are you still watching this? Don't finish watching it, scroll down while you still have the chance, or I'll just continue talking. It's gonna be 4 minutes. I'm still watching it. Alright, oh my gosh, my window's open. Hope no one heard me screaming. That'll be a little bit awkward. It's 4 minutes! Okay, bye guys. No,